Today we have the unique opportunity of taking a look at one of our newer listings in Solon at 613 Kingston Drive. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, got a wonderful floor plan, open kitchen, great living room with fireplace. Also, this home has an eat-in kitchen and breakfast bar and big French doors that go out to the backyard that is fenced and very private. This is walking distance to schools, parks, downtown Solon. I can't wait to show you this property.
Welcome to 613 Kingston Drive, your perfect family home in Solon. Step into this beautiful split-foyer home where 1,956 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space awaits. Flooded with natural light, this wonderfully refreshed home offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and timeless charm. Natural light pours through the expansive windows of the living room, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The modern eat-in kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring sleek countertops and a convenient breakfast bar that flows seamlessly into comfortable living spaces. Gather with family in the cozy family room, where a built-in fireplace adds warmth and character, perfect for year-round enjoyment. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, there's plenty of room for everyone to find their own space. The versatile finished basement provides additional living area to suit your family's needs. Utility savings you'll love. The average monthly bill to Mid-American in 2024 was $48.62, and the average monthly bill to Alliant in 2024 was $75.11, coming to a total of just $123.73 per month for gas and electricity. Outdoor living is a dream with a generous entertainment-ready deck and a private backyard surrounded by mature trees and fencing. Modern updates blend perfectly with practical features, including a spacious 2-stall attached garage. Located in the highly rated Solon Community School District, this home offers the perfect setting for families focused on education. The prime location puts you walking distance to Solon's best, Bluebird Cafe, Good Vibes Cafe, and the Eat Shop, along with downtown's charming shops and restaurants. Enjoy easy access to outdoor recreation and urban amenities with Lake MacBride State Park, Coralville Lake, Iowa City, Mount Vernon, and premier golf courses, all within a quick 5 to 15-minute drive. This move-in-ready home perfectly balances style and convenience in one of Iowa's most sought-after communities. Your dream home in the heart of Solon awaits, offering the perfect blend of small-town charm and easy access to big city amenities. Make this lovely home yours today.